How to use n8n. Now, n8n is if you don't know, it's a powerful open source workflow automation tool, and it allows you to connect apps and services to automate tasks without the need of heavy coding. Now, first of all, if you head over to Google Chrome and search n8n, you can head over to this website, their main website. You can also self-host it as well. So click on get started and you can begin with free trial in order to test it out. And once you click on get started, it will take you to a page like this one. And now here you can start your 14-day free trial. All you need to do is put in some of information here and you'll be good to go. Once you're done with that, you will see this kind of dashboard. This is the main dashboard of n8n, and here you'll see tons of options. We can create workflows, we can create credentials, and we can see all of the executions that we'll do using this platform. So coming back to workflows, if you click on start from scratch, you will see this kind of interface on your screen. Now this is the default editor to create workflows that you see on your screen right now. What we will do here is we will click on add first step, and here you will find tons of different options popping on your screen. Now you can go and discover all these options according to your need. So let me just show you an example. We can click on chat message and it will open up something like this. I can also click on test chat like this, and I can just type this right here like this. And since we haven't added anything further, so it will not respond anything. Now we'll click on this plus icon. Once you click on that, you will find now different tons of options to do whatever you want once this message is received. And there's also these templates tab. On the left tab, you will see this templates option also. There are workflow templates that you can also go and use if they fulfill your need. And then you'll find here tons of different options: AI chatbot, featured AI templates. So it's really in detail information right here. So you can go and choose them as well. And of course, to add apps here, you can go and create your credentials. For example, you can add OpenAI right here. And here you'll need the OpenAI's API key to connect that. So you'll need to go to OpenAI account and get your API key and paste it right here. Now in this way you can go and add credentials, connect apps here as well, and further you'll see the execution. Whatever the work we will do on this app will appear right here. So that's how to begin with this platform. I hope you found this video helpful. That's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next video.